Hi everyone, I am teacher Casey from caseyteaches.weebly.com. You can check it out below. Now on my channel, I like to help give teachers, veteran and new teachers tips and tricks for the online teaching classroom. And I know that it is very different. So I'm sure there are many of you that are just coming into the online teaching world, and I really would love to help you. So I have some tips, and I am going to do a little series that is how to rock your mock class. So this could be for VIP Kid, it could be for Go Kid, it could be for other companies that you're coming into. But I just want to help you out because I know when I first came in to the online teaching world, it was different, and it's amazing. It's so much fun, but it's really helpful to have different tips that you can use to help you get through and have a successful mock class. I will be doing a series of 8 videos. There are 7 tips and then a bonus 8th. So I'm very happy to share these with you. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to comment below, or you can go to my website and contact me directly through there as well. Either way that works best for you. I am so happy to talk with you. That'd be amazing. This is just the intro. If you watch for the next video, then I will have that for you. Be ready to watch your 8 tips coming up in the next several weeks or few weeks. Yes. Thank you so much for watching. I will catch you in the next video. Happy teaching!